Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Chainlink, why you need this token in your portfolio if you are thinking about the next bull run. We are going to cover that and why I am including Chainlink link token in my portfolio. We are going to cover a little bit of technical analysis and all the news of the last days about Chainlink, what they are doing, how they are increasing the crypto space with many of the partnerships that they are having in the different blockchains. Chainlink for sure is one of the important altcoins that you need to keep an eye on that. So before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, at the time of recording this video, Chainlink link token right now is at position 25 at $7.64. If we go a little bit into the chart, I just want to show you something very interesting. We have this pattern, which is an ascending triangle. Usually this breaks to the upside, and you can see we have two touches here, which could be a double top, and we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 touches here on this lower uptrend. So right now, Chainlink link token since June is continuing going to the upside, creating higher highs. And because we are inside in this ascending triangle, this means that the more probably a scenario is that link breaks to the upside. Like you can see here, this rectangle was my support zone during the last bull run. But once we break it that, I started to mention in another videos that before $10, I will be out of link at that moment. And I was able to make a good trade on that, but right now I am again accumulating link tokens below $10. The all-time high of link token was around $53, so we are actually an 86% down from the all-time high at this moment. The thing with link token is that always has been in the top 30 positions from the last years, and the thing is that they don't have really any competitor. So we are going to cover why you need to add Chainlink to your portfolio in this video. So keep an eye on this video until the end. First of all, let's refresh what Chainlink does, because the technology behind this is very important. And this is a cryptocurrency that aims to bridge the gap between the real world data and smart contracts running on a decentralized blockchain ecosystem. And everything here is explained step by step how Chainlink works. I will put the link of the description if you are not really familiar with that. But basically we can extrapolate from this sentence that Chainlink is the middleware between the data that the companies are already managing and the data that is around the internet and the smart contracts and the different blockchains that we have right now. Because like you know, the decentralized blockchains cannot get that data that easy. So with Chainlink as a middleware, we can be sure, and because it's secure and decentralized, that the data that is bringing from the different services corresponds to exactly the data that we want. So this is a bridge between real data and APIs that are already working in the different services and the blockchain feeds and services that we want to integrate in a decentralized way. So you can see that this has been a genius invention, and really Chainlink doesn't have any competitor. The next competitors for this, there are many other oracles, but they are really small in terms of company, in terms of adoption. So having an incredible technology and having no competitors, I would really think to start looking at this coin if it's not part of your portfolio. Of course, I am not financial advisor, this is not financial advice, it's only my opinion about this project. In the latest news for Chainlink, Chainlink has been launching its new price feed that protects Web3 projects against data manipulation attacks and outlier events like flash crashes. With the help of this technology, creators in the Web3 space can integrate the SEAL USD price feed on the Optimism network to build secure DeFi markets around Silica's token. However, that's not all, and Chainlink has also updated its followers about its work on climate change, and Chainlink announced that it will be working on global carbon credit standards adding robust incentive models to their development while supplementing effective climate initiatives. Chainlink, with the help of Hypen, DLC Mate DAO, and Curest, also took steps towards sustainability and climate change aspects. So the climate change, the carbon neutral for all these blockchains, is part of what we want to see in each of the projects. Chainlink is around 900 followers on Twitter. And in terms of price action, beside this ascending triangle that I was mentioning, I want to pay attention to this thin line that I drew here. You can see how this was resistance here, support here, support, support, and now in this top was resistance. So this line is very important. We need to keep an eye on that. I will just make it bigger so you can see it. But again, we are inside this ascending triangle. One really good thing about Link right now is that it has been going up in the short term since May against Bitcoin. You can see how this was support for the Bitcoin Chainlink chart, but also we break it to the downside. But since the lows of May 2022, Chainlink actually has been progressing and making it better than Bitcoin itself. So there are not many altcoins doing that. Actually, you can see how Ethereum is losing the momentum against Bitcoin, but Chainlink is still going up in terms of the valuation against Bitcoin. And this is good because you can see that we are going back into the territory that was previous support on the last bull run. So we have a lot of resistance here. You can see the BRBP indicator here marking a lot of trading volume. But if we go above the 42.83, we could get support again here and passes this very bearish trend that was below this rectangle. More news for Chainlink, and this is from September 12th to September 18th, so yesterday. Chainlink adoption update. This week there were 12 integrations on 5 Chainlink services across 4 different chains: Arbitrum, BNB chain, Ethereum, and Polygon. Chainlink empowers Web3 developers across the multi-chain ecosystem. So these 12 integrations in different blockchains only happened in the last week. So you can see how they are continue making partnerships. In order for blockchain technology to reach mass adoption, enterprises require a secure, seamless way to integrate their systems. And that is what Chainlink does. You can see in this article how everything is explaining that the companies could integrate Chainlink. But Chainlink empowers enterprises to capitalize on innovation in the smart contract economy by providing them with secure blockchain middleware that can read from and write to any blockchain based on customized logic and security. This gives enterprises a future-proof abstraction layer for seamlessly interacting with any smart contract in any manner directly from existing backends and legacy tools, all with minimal to no server-side modifications. So that is also important because companies doesn't want to create all their products that they already have now in blockchain. So with this, they can actually use Chainlink as a bridge to utilize their service in new services in the blockchains. So that is super cool. And again, Chainlink is being integrated in all the different blockchains, working as an oracle. So it's not that it's only working for Ethereum, it's also integrated in other chains. A new price feed for Chainlink powered the Web3 economy with hyper-reliable, robust, and precise market data. Integrate the Doge USD price feed on Optimism FND to build secure DeFi markets around Dogecoin's token. So again, this is the way that the Oracle works to bring real data into the blockchain. And guys, if you are not knowing that we have the SmartCon of 2022, I recommend you to go there. This is the 28-29 of September in New York. I probably will be attending there. So we have here Sergey Nazarov, which is the CEO of Chainlink. Many Chainlink members are going to talk on this SmartCon of 2022. So don't forget to go there if you want to know more about everything of Chainlink is doing. And finally, more adoption of Chainlink, integrations on Ethereum and Polygon. Fortnite.io the BRF and Keepers random NFT generation and automatic fee distribution, and for primary deals IO, BRF, fair NFT distribution. So more Chainlink daily wrap-ups. Guys, this is all for the video. If you are not familiar what Chainlink is and how it works, I will put this link on the description with explaining step by step how the Oracle works. But like you can see in this video, there are many continuing integration of Chainlink in the different blockchains, and we really don't have any major competitor of Chainlink. And the price action has been doing it super well against Bitcoin and also against USDT with this bullish pattern that we are creating right now. So stay tuned, the markets are crumbling a little bit. Ethereum is actually at $1,300, so stay away and wait a little bit. But once we see what happened with the price action, you really need to consider Chainlink as part of your portfolio. If you liked this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.